Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And so today, we're gonna do a skit video. I'm so sorry that I haven't posted in like a long time. So yeah. So this skit is a lost fidget return, and basically this girl finds a lot of fidgets, and she is going to. These are going to be some of the fidgets, but she is going to find them and return them. So let's get started. Hey Rose, did you hear that all fidgets have been scattered and no one can find them?
I know I have, and I thought that was really crazy because all my fidgets are gone this morning.
Wait, what?
And nobody was even in my house, so I feel like my mom did something.
Well, does your mom hate fidgets?
No way! She's the one who bought me all those fidget packs, so she does not.
Then why would she do it? Like, at least I'm not watching something.
I know, but she also thought that was weird. And I'm like, Mom, didn't you do that? I'm like, she's like, no, but did you hear the news that all the fidgets scattered? And I just fainted.
Well, only one of my fidgets scattered, and that was my favorite one. Do you know which one it is?
I feel like it's that apple poppet that was rainbow that you
Yeah,
usually
that's
got.
my favorite one, and I just got it's so new. I just got that like
2 weeks ago.
Not 2 weeks
1
ago.
week.
Like
That's too much.
1 week ago.
Yeah, 1 week ago.
Yeah, let's not.
Oh, look! Do you like my nail paint, girl?
Oh my gosh, do you like mine? Mine is
Pretty.
rainbow.
Yeah. Oh, look! I think we have the same colors.
Oh yeah.
Wait, wrong switch.
Okay, but let's actually
Let's go find them. Yeah.
Hopefully they're just not like. Hopefully there are other people's fidgets that are lost, so it's like not like work house or something. So yeah.
I'm gonna go text Susie if she has any.
Okay.
She said no.
Oh. Wait, did she begin with fidgets?
Yeah, she had so many poppets, but no other fidgets, and all poppets went away.
Wait, what?
Yeah.
That is so weird. Okay.
Wait, girl, look! I found this mochi.
Huh?
It was
mochi?
in the.
This was my mochi.
It was in the corner.
Wait, but I thought only. That was the mochi that was gone. That was missing 2 weeks ago.
Oh my!
This was.
Hey, wait! Look, a poppet.
Wait, what?
It's under the bed.
Please. Wait. Wait, this I think was this was Susie's poppet.
Pause. Look! A metallic brown one under your dresser.
Wait, what?
Is that mine? This one's mine.
It is? No, it's not. Wait.
Your favorite apple poppet.
My apple poppet. I finally found my sweet.
Whose Rubik's Cube is that? I think we have to go looking through the neighborhood now.
Yeah, we definitely should.
Well, let's try finding all the fidgets.
My God. Let's keep them over here.
Is this yours? I just found it in your dresser, in the middle, poking out.
This was not mine. I think it's Susie's, but definitely I had this, but then I traded it to Susie, so it's not mine.
Wait, is this yours? I found it. Wait, look, another squishy.
Wait, these two are mine.
2 more Rubik's Cubes.
2 more Rubik's Cubes? Okay, so we definitely need to call people who we know have fidgets, so then they can actually tell us if they lost a fidget. But for now, let's just put it in the pile.
Okay, let me find some more for you. Oh look, wait, wasn't this yours? The little sensory fidget you made?
Oh yeah, this was the correct one.
This is kind of. Why was it in the bathroom?
Wait, do you guys see that over there?
What's this? Guess it's someone's fidget in the neighborhood. Oh my God, there's a snake right here.
A snake?
No, not a real snake.
Oh. Wait, this is Susie's. I remember her having this.
Wait, didn't you trade her this?
Yes, I traded it to her. And she gave me this one.
Yeah. Oh, wait, look, up here.
Huh? Wait, what?
Okay,
it.
And it's really good.
I
probably we can keep it and no one will know.
No, we can't, Rose.
Bummer.
Rose, it's not fair. Everyone lost their
I don't
fidgets.
think so there's any left. Wait. Yeah, probably not. There's none, I don't think. What about behind the mirror? Behind the No, there wasn't any. Well, I think this was all. Let's go knocking on neighbors.
Let's see if they're in the bathroom.
Okay. Under the rug for mochis. No mochis. Under this rug.
No necessity, but why would a mochi go this far, or any fidget go that far?
No,
I don't think any fidgets are there, but let's just check behind here. Do you guys see any fidgets? I see a book back there, but no fidgets. Wait! No, that's just a book. Huh? Wait.
Wait, I think that's a squishy. Oh, look, there's another one. Wait, these two aren't here.
Yeah. Guys, do you remember seeing these? Vote in the comments if you remember seeing these. I remember I did not see them.
I did not step anywhere here or that corner.
I was like walking right here, and then
This is creepy, but do you guys hear this?
I don't hear it, Rose. Maybe you're just imagining.
I'm super scared right now.
That's the book, guys.
A book?
I don't know why it's back there, but it is back there. Sorry, Rose.
Is this a squishy?
It's not a squishy, but it's a keychain.
And that was never here.
Let's see if any of these things are.
Oh, look, a fidget.
It's not a fidget, it's a glitter.
Oh, look, Puppet. Wait, didn't you have a puppet just like this and this?
No, I did. I had a pineapple puppet and an ice cream puppet. And that was the container for those.
I see.
Okay, let's go give these fidgets to anyone who let's go give them to Susie to give her some of hers back.
Yeah. Okay, we're knocking on Susie's door. Come on.
She's gonna. Oh, hey Susie.
Hi guys. Why are all my fidgets out here? And I thought they were all lost. Wow, I
Wait.
missed my snake.
Yeah, this was your snake. I remember because you told me.
Well, what are you guys doing here?
Well, basically, we went out for, me and Rose, we went out for, a walk because we just wanted to have a walk. And then Rose told me that her fidgets were missing. And she thought it was her mom, but, her mom loves, she bought her the fidgets, but then I noticed that this, and this were all yours. So I was like, wait, Susie's fidgets are gone. Rose's fidgets are gone, and my fidgets were gone. And
Oh my god, hi Rose, you're wearing the same clothes as me.
Yeah,
Sorry.
I ordered the same clothes as for you and Rose. I never really told you guys that, but yeah, because you guys are best friends. But to the point, are these your fidgets?
Yes, and they've been missing all day.
All day?
I've been trying to look all over my house and nada.
That's so weird because me and Rose's fidgets have been gone too. My fidget has been gone for a week.
Oh my.
1 week. And so...
Okay.
So...
Well, thanks for all of them.
You're welcome. So yeah, so bye, Susie.
Oh, bye. Have a great day.
You too.
Hey, Addison, thanks for giving me the squishy.
Oh wait,
I really
this broke.
appreciate
This
it.
broke.
Oh, yeah, I see.
Yeah, so those are your fidgets, and I remember that these were my fidgets. I just gave you this one because you didn't really have many fidgets, and I had so many
My
fidgets.
mom ordered a new pack today. And hey guys, just a quick thing. Did you know if you keep it like this, on only some fidgets, if you twist it, you can make the color go
Yep.
twisted.
Okay, but I hope you guys loved that video. If you did, please like, subscribe, and turn on the post notifications if you want to. Be a Dico, and bye guys!
Bye, Jackoos!